The 2 Tyres Guide to the Kenda K761. You may not have heard of Kenda, but they have a superb track record in the world of motocross, and they make a wide range of enduro and adventure dual sport tires. Primarily designed as a road-going tire, the K761 can handle light trails, but if you want a bit more off-road potential, check out the Kenda K270. These tires come in tubed and tubeless fitments, but all can be run with inner tubes. One of the 761's main selling points is its wide range of fitment, which cater for loads of niche or retro bikes. For example, the Van, Monkey 125 or Piaggio Typhoon can all run this tire. These are also really good value for money. So if you're restoring a bike that you'll hardly ride, or you're just on a budget, you don't have to shell out a fortune. Superb wear and a great tread pattern are the icing on the cake. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website. Just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.